Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device is the one you usually use, and that you can unlock it, Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Once done, open Settings and tap Passwords on an iPhone or iPad. On a Mac, open Safari Preferences or System Settings and choose Passwords. You do this because Apple stores saved credentials in iCloud Keychain. Viewing any password requires local authentication to protect your account and to confirm it's really you viewing the secret. Now you authenticate with your device's security. This step is essential because Apple decrypts keychain items only after you prove your identity. After authentication, type your Apple ID email into the search field to find the saved entry. You'll see the account name and a hidden password field. Tap the entry, then tap the eye icon to reveal the password or use copy, but make sure you paste it into a secure, trusted field. This protects you from accidental exposure or clipboard leaks. Complete the task by using the revealed password where required, then immediately close the password screen so it isn't left visible. If the stored password is outdated or you suspect someone accessed your account, change your Apple ID password at Appleid. Apple. Calm and sign out remote devices, then enable two-factor authentication for added security. If you can't authenticate to view passwords, do not try bypassing security. Instead, use account recovery or reset your password with a trusted phone number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.